looks like part of it's missing. We're gonna find enough parts to make one good pickup truck. All right. Okay, we got her straightened out again. Away we go. Now we're heading home. Cross the runway with it. Got it turned around. He's just gonna drive it over. Here we are, halfway home. Here it comes. We got it home. One brown truck. Looks pretty good. Looks like all the gauges are there. It's got a seat, not too good a shape, but it'll be fine. And I think we need to put a new windshield in it. Actually, there's a good windshield in the other one, but we'll see. All right. Got it up off the ground a little bit. Looks like the engine's all there. Has oil in the engine. I think it'll run. Anyway, yeah. So there we go. Yep. Pretty good. A barn find. Okie dokie.